Hi, welcome back. I'm really excited to do this video. We're going to talk about classifiers. This is where signing and English really begin to separate. Up until this point, you may have been learning, here's the English word and here's the sign. Well, here's the place where we begin to really establish the beauty of American Sign Language. I'm going to give you two classifiers. Okay, you'll see them abbreviated in a written text as CL. CL. So here's two examples. The first one is called a CL3 because it looks like this. Okay, see the number 3? But we turn it like this. This classifier references vehicles. A vehicle, a car, a bus, a truck, a bike. All right? So a CL3, that classifier for vehicles. Let's do one more. Okay, this is usually abbreviated a CL-A. Okay, A. Can you see the letter A there? Okay, this classifier refers to a two-legged, a man, a woman, a child, things that walk on two legs. Right? So we've got a CL3 classifier and a CL-A classifier. All right, in this next section, let's talk about how we use it and how it really is going to bring to life American Sign Language. Okay, here's the rule as it applies to classifiers. The noun typically precedes the classifier. You got that? Let me give you an example. Car. Here's the sign for car. Imagine that steering wheel, a car. So we have a car, the classifier. So the noun just tells you what this classifier is. The car is parked. The car is parked. How about this one? Okay. How would you have said that in English? I have two cars parked side by side. Wow. Did you get that sentence out of this, this, and this? Here's the power of classifiers. Here's another one for you, okay? What was the mouth doing? What was the classifier doing? The car is, see how it's skewed? It's in the ditch. All right? All right, let's try the CL-A, okay? So if I sign this, oh, man, what did he do? Oh, the man walked away. He walked away. All right, how about another one, okay? The little child, right? Child. Here's that classifier A. And do you see how the steps were smaller? Oh, and that little child, do you see how I'm shrinking in here? Cute. That little child is so cute. Okay, you're probably feeling a little bit struggling maybe. We're now going to interject multiple classifiers and different ways to describe those classifiers. Hang in there. This is where ASL gets fun. Let's do that next set. Okay, like I said, this is where a native hearing English speaker may begin to struggle with ASL. So we're going to set it up. All right. We have a red car. The car that is red. Got it? This is now a red car until I change it. It doesn't change, right? And over here, I might have had what? A blue car. I've got a red car and a blue car. They could be parked side by side. They could be tailing each other. There could be a head-on crash. There could be a near miss. By which color car? All right? How about a car that gets T-boned? And you've got to create the English sentence remembering which car is which and watching the action of what's going on. How about this one? A red light, and that car ran right through it. Ran right through it. Okay? I'm going to keep this lesson short because I want you to go back and rewind and practice those classifiers. The CL3 and the CL-A, remember the rule and practice. All right? Thanks.